How to view and manage environment variables on Windows. This tutorial shows you how to check what's already set up and remove any you no longer need. First, click the Start button. Type Environment Variables and open Edit the System Environment Variables. After that, click Environment Variables at the bottom. From there, you'll see two lists, User Variables and System Variables. At this point, click any variable once to see its current value displayed below the list. In the next step, to check a long value like path in full, click it and then click Edit. Following this, each entry will appear on its own line, so you can scroll through everything set. Once done, click Cancel if you're only checking and don't want to make changes. From here, to remove a variable you no longer need, select it from the list. At this stage, click Delete. Keep in mind, deleting a variable that another app or script depends on can cause that tool to stop working, so only remove ones you're sure aren't in use. Finally, click OK to save any changes and close the windows. And that's it. If this guide helped you view and manage environment variables on Windows, give it a like, subscribe for more PC tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.